Okay, welcome. Today we're going to talk about linear equations, and linear equations are in the form of ax plus b equals c, where a, b, and c do not equal 0. Some examples of a linear equation could just be as simple as 3x equals 2, 2x plus 1 equals 5, and x equals 4. Those are all examples of a linear equation, as well as x plus 2 equals 1. Now, when we are solving linear equations, the first thing we need to know is about the addition property of equality, and that tells us that we can add or subtract the same number from both sides without changing the solution. So we're going to use this example here, x plus 2 equals 1, and show you about the addition property of equality. Now remember, our goal always whenever we're solving equations is to get the variable totally by itself. On this left side we have x, whatever x is, plus 2 more. So to get to just x, I'm going to subtract 2. But to make sure we use this addition property of equality, we have to subtract that 2 from both sides. So I subtracted 2 here, and I'm going to subtract 2 there. So then 2 plus negative 2 would just go away, and this would just become x equals negative 1, and that is our solution. We can always check to see if that works by just evaluating and taking this x equals negative 1 and putting it back in. So we have negative 1 plus 2. Does it equal 1? On the left side, we simplify, and negative 1 plus 2 is 1, and that does equal 1, so it checks, and x equals negative 1 is our equation, is our solution. So that is how we complete the addition property. So we're going to move on to the multiplication property next.